Hi, I'm Lauren Reese, fourth-year student here at BGSU, and I'm here to show you what to expect during move-in this week. Before you move in, make sure to complete the personal health and wellness check and fill out the student Falcon commitment that can be found at bgsu.edu/forwardfalcons. It is also important that anyone who you are bringing with you to campus completes their own wellness check. Anyone showing any COVID-19 symptoms needs to stay home. If you can't move in because of this, call 419-372-2011 so the Office of Residence Life can assist you. I'm here at the Stroh Center, and this will be your first stop when you arrive on campus if you're moving in on August 20th through 25th. You will not be permitted to go into your residence hall before checking in. Be sure to have your BG1 card or a photo ID, and Residence Life staff will direct you to the check-in tent. When checking in, arrive during your scheduled move-in appointment. For example, if you are scheduled for noon, arrive between noon and 1 o'clock. If you arrive late or early, you can still go through check-in, but you may be asked to wait in your vehicle in a separate parking location. Remember to stay in your car with your face covering on while talking to our staff. Our staff will provide you with your move-in materials and will answer any questions you may have. Your vehicle should display your filled-out sign on the windshield, which can be found in your move-in packet. It's important to stay in your vehicle during check-in. It makes moving in easier if the student is in the driver or passenger seat. Once you arrive at your residence hall, someone will greet you and ask you to present your vehicle sign. After this, you will be allotted 15 minutes to unload your car. Multiple guests can help you unload, but only one guest will be permitted to enter the residence hall with you at a time. Once your vehicle is unloaded, have someone move it to long-term parking. Shuttles will be running and will stop at each residence hall. You and one guest will be given wristbands at check-in, one orange for the student and one green for their guest. A student will not be permitted to bring a guest into the building if both are not wearing a wristband. At all times, please stay 6 feet away from others. You will have 2 hours from the time you arrive to your hall for your guests to assist you inside the building. You can swap between a maximum of 2 guests. When you want to swap, escort your first guest to the front desk to have their band removed and receive a new green wristband. A couple reminders: be sure to bring hand sanitizer and remember that face coverings over your nose and mouth are required at all times in public areas on campus, inside and out. And if you use one of our move-in carts, you must bring it to a disinfecting station after use. Ask the Residence Life staff if you have any questions. Stay safe and welcome to the Falcon family.